This is the Rade Garage Auxiliary Tank Kit for the KTM 690 Enduro or the SMCR. Now if you ride adventure routes, you take long distance trips, or you just don't want to stress about finding gas stations, this is the perfect upgrade for your KTM. My name is Alex at Accessories International. Let's get into it. If you want to take the stress out of cutting your ride short because of low fuel, then this kit is an absolute must-have. This adds an extra 1.5 gallons of fuel, giving you a total riding range of over 205 miles on a single tank. That's an additional 60 miles of freedom. It's going to let you stay out, explore further, and stay on the trails longer without worrying about running dry. Now, one of the best things about this tank kit is that it doesn't interfere with your bike's natural handling. The tank is going to be completely hidden within the bike's frame, meaning that there's no added bulk or awkward weight distribution. Your KTM still feels exactly the same, keeping that lightweight, nimble, and responsive feel that makes the KTM what it is. Now, unlike some of those other aftermarket tanks out there that can make your bike feel real top heavy or bulky, this kit is going to preserve your dimensions and your balance while giving you the extra fuel that you need. Now, along with the fuel tank kit, this also includes an upgraded airbox and a high-performance MultiAir foam filter, which is designed specifically for Rade Garage. Now, this is going to help boost your power and torque, giving you about 3 to 5 extra horsepower and better performance. Now, when it comes to maintenance, this is quick and easy. The filters are pre-oiled, they're washable and reusable, so you don't have to worry about constantly replacing them. Plus, the kit comes with a GP dust cover to keep your intake protected from dirt and debris, which makes it perfect for off-road use and tough conditions. Now, let's talk about exactly what you're going to get once you place your order for the kit. This includes a transparent auxiliary fuel tank with a filler cap, all the brackets, bolts, and mounting hardware that you're going to need for a seamless installation, and an updated small airbox, gas and vent tubes, and a connection part to the main tank. This also has a Thermotech heat foil, which is going to protect against any engine heat. Now, everything in this kit is designed for an easy install. It's going to use the OEM style connectors, so you don't have to worry about compatibility issues. Installation here is going to be straightforward, and once you have it installed, the tank is going to integrate seamlessly with your stock fuel system. So what that means, this auxiliary tank is going to connect directly to the main fuel tank, allowing fuel transfer without needing to add an extra fuel pump or any complicated wiring. So overall, if you're looking to extend your fuel range, maintain your bike's handling, and get a boost in your power and efficiency, this Rade Garage Auxiliary Tank Kit is one of the best upgrades you can make for your 690. You can order yours today at our website at accessoryinternational.com. My name is Alex here at Accessories. We've been doing this for over 25 years, so if you have any questions for us, give us a call at 786-242-5400. Thanks again for tuning in. Give us a like and subscribe to our channel to keep up with the latest content for your KTM 690. We'll see you next time.